everyone. Today I am discuss about the structure of atom. Structure of atom. In this topic, we discuss about how the atom was composed. So basically, atom comprises three parts. One is proton, another one is neutron, then another one is electron. Actually, what is proton, neutron and electron? Now we see it. See, this is the structure of atom. Actually, atom is very small and fine particles, very small particle. In this small particle, it having one center area. This is called the nucleus. This area we say as nucleus. This nucleus comprises protons and neutrons. Protons is usually the positively charged particles. This is the proton. Then this neutrally charged particle is neutron. This combination of protons and neutrons is in the center of the atom. This part is called the nucleus of an atom. Then one more thing is electrons. This electron is usually in the outer regions of the atom. This electron is negatively charged particle. Basically, atom comprises, this is the structure of an atom. It comprises three parts: proton, neutron and electron. Fine. Then next we go for structure of an atom suggested in different ways. Many scientists suggest atom structure in different ways. In that, three method was very famous. Three method is very famous. Then first method is J.J. Thomson method. In this method, Thomson described actually atom is a positive sphere. He may describe atom is a positive sphere in that electrons are embedded in it. Like that he explained. He explained like this, but this method having some disadvantage. What disadvantage? He fails to explain the arrangements of protons and electrons. So that's why the J.J. Thomson method was failed, because of the arrangement of the protons and electrons was not explained clearly. So that J.J. Thomson method was failed one. The next scientist came up, his name is Rutherford model. He explained the structure of atom through an experiment. He actually bombarded alpha particles on a gold foil. In this way, he explained the structure of an atom. When the alpha particles bombarded on a gold foil, the path of the alpha particles describes the structure of an atom. Actually, the alpha particles passed through an gold foil. The most of the atom space is empty. So the atom has empty one. He told atom has empty one. Then the positively charged center particle is the nucleus. Like that he described the structure of an atom. Then electrons are in the outer shell. These are the things he explained. In this method also, in this Rutherford method also, have some drawbacks. What's the drawback? He told when the electrons in the outer regions is the unstable. If we accelerate the electrons under some radiating energy, the electrons lose the energy and finally it collapse into the nucleus. So the atom becomes unstable. Even though it's stable, the external radiating energy of the electrons, the atom lose the energy and collapse into the nucleus. So the total atom becomes unstable. So his method was also dropped. Then finally, one more scientist came, is named Bohr. This Bohr, he doesn't discover anything newly. He goes for the previous method, that means Rutherford model. He revised the Rutherford model and overcome the objections of that model. He described the atom, structure of the atom. According to him, he said the atom permits only the discrete number of orbits for the electrons to orbit. Okay, so this discrete number of orbit helps the electrons revolve in the stable path. So the electrons revolve in that path, doesn't lose energy when revolving. At the same time, it doesn't lose energy. It jumps from one energy level to another energy levels. So finally, he only described the structure of an atom very clearly. So Bohr model is the successful one. Actually, this is the basic structure of the atom. Thank you.